Alright, this is going to be an analysis on a second trade that I took. I'm going to show how I took it on the AU and how I used silver as a means to understand the gold chart even better because they do correlate to themselves. So I am seeing a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we are currently in a 5, and this is backed up by what silver is showing on its own chart. So that's here 1, 2, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a 4, and then we're going for that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a 5th wave extension. So that is why I believe that on the gold chart we had our wave 3 top here, and this is our wave 4 bottom, and we are in that 5th wave extension. Now on the daily I'm also able to say that this is the wave 1, the wave 2, this is the wave 3, 4, and we are currently in the wave 5. When the wave 3 started, that is the wave 3 of the 5th wave extension, I made a video about that, about how I was too biased, and I was not able to get a trade in because I believe that this would be an ABC, and then because I saw an a 1, 2, 3, and then a breakdown, I was expecting that it would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then maybe a 5-way move up or something before we come down for a deeper correction. So I wasn't willing to take this as a 1, and then an ABC, and subsequently a move up. So I missed that trade, but on this occasion I did not miss it. So I was able to take a trade according to my strategy of waiting for 3 to 4 points, but I took this one a bit hastily though, so I'll get into that. On the 15-minute time frame, to be fair, I wasn't able to count this, but I did see a 3-wave breakdown, so I just labeled it as okay. Before I get there, I think I should even start with my count from this wave. So the reason I was able to get this trade is because I was able to adjust my count after missing this trade to a 1, 2, and then I was looking for a 3, and then a 4, and then a 5. So after seeing this breakdown and a break above the highs, and I looked for an alternation between waves 2 and waves 4. So this one, it did not break the orthodox high, that is, it didn't break the high of wave 1. So I was expecting wave 4 to break the high of wave 1. And so when that happened, I knew that we'll be going for a flat here. And so I drew a Fibonacci target. So I drew this, and I was counting 5 wave moves on the lower time frame of the wave C. We got it at the 1618, and if I go down there, I should be able to see a 5 wave move. A bit difficult to count on M15. Let's go to M5. Yeah, so it's still a bit difficult to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe. So on having the minor counts on the lower time frame, they can be tricky because you don't really see every tick on the 1 minute. There are still ticks of 1 second, so it can be a bit difficult to count. So it's better to just count the structure. So that's why I said I was not particularly able to count this as a 5, but in hindsight we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's messy, but it's what we have. Then I saw a 1, 2, 3, which fits in nicely with fib zones. As you can see, that's a 50% retracement level, and also Fibonacci targets. Yeah, so you can see that that's on the 100 to 123. So I then waited and I wanted to count another 5, which I did. So let's go there. Yeah. So I said 1, 2, and then there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. and then, or how did I count this? I think I counted as 1, 2, 3, which is up here, 4, and then 5, and then I saw a 3-wave move down. I believe I had a trade around here, and I placed that trade. Yes, I placed that trade around here, but I was stopped out by this move here. So when it was up here and I saw a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I was convinced that we'll just have a little retracement and then a move back up. So I was a bit impatient. I did not wait like my strategy said I should, so I suffered a loss on that. So I then waited again, and then I saw a bounce from here, and I saw what looks like an expanding triangle. Now ordinarily I should have waited for this to go up and come down up to here before I place a buy trade, but I placed this trade around here, in as much as it looks like I placed it here. But I placed it around here after seeing this expanding triangle. I was convinced that we're having a 1, 2, 3, 4 and would move up from here, but we later retraced and my stop loss was around here. I recently just moved it here this morning, so this would have been the perfect entry according to my strategy. I was hasty, which is wrong, but somehow we worked out, but that is not the proper approach. So if I took this as a 1, 2, I then took this as another 1, 2, and then I was counting maybe another 1, 2. This could be a 5-way move of 1 and then 2, that's a diagonal up, and then 2 down, and then 3, 4, 5 is another 1, and then 1, 2, 3 down of 2, and then 5 up, 3 down in a strange count, but I don't know about that. Or it could also be a triangle of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. According to the triangle, it exploded and is still exploding, so I'm still waiting to I'm still having my alternate count. If this is a 1, 2, and I'm waiting and seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which will be the wave 3, as you can see up here, and then we'll have a 4 down and then a 5 up. So I'm still looking at my alternate counts, trying to know what count to follow. I will probably follow the least promising count just so that I can be cautious, and I will move my stop loss according to that least profitable. So that least profitable would be, this is a 1, and then this is a 2, and then we're having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which would be the end of wave 3, rather than having all these sub minuets, 1, 2s and 1, 2s and 1, 2s on the lower time frames. So yeah, I want to take the least profitable path so I can take the most cautious approach rather than being super bullish and ending up being disappointed. Is there anything else to say? So yeah, that is it. That is how I took this trade. So far profitable. I'm finally happy that I am able to add trades to a winning position. So yeah, I think that's a sign of good growth. Yeah, I'm being more patient, being more analytical. So yeah, I think this is a sign of growth.